Alright, what's going on YouTube? This is PXG Cash Howard here. Now I know we haven't done this in a while. We haven't done any pack openings for TCGO. I haven't been playing it as much as I used to. And even then all I pretty much always did was just open up packs. So I kind of have like an addiction of opening up packs. Now the reason for this video is that two people literally, same day, I got codes from them to redeem stuff in the TCGO. One being my coworker Frank, one being my buddy who also streams, Chris, aka Roflinmeboat. Um, I can say one thing though, because the ones that Frank gave me were connected with the Gyarados, the shiny Gyarados box. Um, I don't remember exactly what the codes were for those, but I did open up the actual packs, and I kind of got like probably one of the best things in there, being the secret rare Gyarados EX card, which is pretty hype. Since I don't really have a setup to do actual physical cards, I didn't bother making that part of the video, but that was literally the best thing in from what I opened. There was some, your usual reverse hollows and whatnot, but nothing kind of jumped at me like a secret rare card. Um, so yeah, let's just get started. Once I enter the codes in, I also got codes for I got these 2 free packs. I don't know if it's. I guess I've been gone from this for so long that I don't know what's going on. So I guess let's go open up those free packs first, cause free's good. Can't really complain. And it's a flash fire. So let's see what we get out of this. Alright, we got Buizel, Pineco, Flabebe, Duskull, Spheal, Sneasel, Celio, Blacksmith, Reverse Hollow Gumi. It's been so long I forgot what they were called. And the secret is a Hollow Carbink. And Phantom Forces. See what's inside of here. Well, look at that. Gumi again. Alomomola. Krabby. Finneon. Bunnelby. Gengar Spirit Link. Special Energy, Mystery Energy. AZ. Reverse Hollow Murkrow. And Talonflame, aka Smogon Bird. Alright. Let's open up the Ancient Origins. It's the only one of its kind. Let's see what's inside of here. I believe this is one of the ones that came in the Gyarados box. Quagsire, Spinarak, Golett, Combee, Unknown, Ariados, Porygon 2, Whimsicott, First Hollow Combee, and Golurk. Golurk the homie though. That was literally the first card when I started up the TCGO that I was actually using. Now, I don't even know what these are, and these might have came in what Roflin gave me. But this is the first time I've actually seen these packs. Oh well, let's see what's in them. It could be probably something new. Yep, because everything is just screaming new to me. Doduo, Psychic Energy, Krabby, Dark Energy, Charmander, Shauna, Graveler, Altaria, Burst Hollow Electric Energy, and the boy Hitmonchan. Look at that Hitmonchan. Yo, Hitmonchan ready. Oh wait, I could have just done a open other. Whoops. Alright, let's just open up the second pack. Really should look up what this pack is. All of the news. Alright. Diglett, Clefairy, Paris, Krabby, Fletchling, Olympia, Maintenance, Charizard, Reverse Hollow Machamp, and Rapidash. I'll snap. Champ about to go wreck some face. Then I want to know what this thing is on the side. Wait, cause it's a. Oh, wait a minute, it's a hollow Charizard. What is that? Hmm. Who knows? I'll find out down the road. Anyway, I believe Breakpoint's the newer one. Let's go with Breakpoint. That way we can save Breakthrough for the end since it's the one with the most packs. Alright. Inside of this, I have this card. This is one of the cards I wear in my thing. Chikorita, Shelder, Phantom, Skorupi, Timpole, Tierno, Perugly, Electivire, Reverse Hollow Luxio, and the boy Pangoro. Look at that, taking no shit. Look at him. Alright, let's open up another one. Rattata, Growlithe, Timpole, Chikorita, Furfrou, Durant, Maxi Elixir, Luxio, Reverse Hollow Durant, and Slowking. It's a Hollow Slowking. I think I have this card also. Alright. Are we gonna open it? Gonna keep me in suspense? Guess we're gonna be kept in suspense for a bit. There we go. Alright, we got this way. Froakie, Glameow, Drowsy, don't know why he's blushing. Timpole, Blitzel, Bayleaf, Slowbro, Palpitoad, Reverse Hollow Hypno, and Zebstrika. Not bad. Not bad. See? Open up another one, and another one. Numel, Shelder, Petilil, Shelder, Drowsy, Electivire, Puzzle of Time, Doublade, Reverse Hollow Psyduck, and Camerupt. Causing up a storm, I see you. Alright. Next up, Trubbish, Gibble, Ferroseed, Shelder, Shinx, Perugly, Swanna, Gabite, Tierno, Reverse Hollow Tierno, and Raticate. Raticate looking more badass than he really is. I think the Raticate looks like that in a video game. I think Mirror will probably want to use one. Honedge, Slowpoke, Ferroseed, Froakie, Corsola, Puzzle of Time, Professor Sycamore, Stantler, Electabuzz, and no. So speaking of the secret rare, so now we also have it in the TCGO. This is the exact card I was referencing in the beginning of the video that I actually pulled in the actual pack, and now we have it in the digital version too. Nice and Gyarados EX. This card, like, it's something about this card, like the shininess, you can barely see it on the TCGO. In actual card format, it looks pretty badass. Alright. And the last pack, Skorupi, Froakie, Electabuzz, Numel, Spritzy, Electivire, Nuzleaf, Max Potion, Reverse Hollow Pancham, our mascot, look at him all happy, is Drapion. Alright, those were all the breakthrough, no, breakpoint, my bad. Now let's open up the last packs to breakthroughs. And let's see what's inside of those bad boys. Goldeen, Flabebe, Routes, Remoraid, Floette, Sandslash, Stunfisk, Reverse Hollow Teddiursa, and Simisage. Moving along. Hoot Hoot, Teddiursa, Zorua, Piplup, Starly, Heavy Boots, Frogadier, Bridget, Reverse Hollow Scatterbug, and Smurgle with that mean mug. So what you looking at? What you want? Alright. Pansage, Cyndaquil, Magnemite, Remoraid, Ghastly, Bridget, Assault Vest, Swoobat, Reverse Hollow Goldeen, and Dodrio. Alright. Chespin, Cubone, Swablu, Bronzor, Panseer, Dedenne, Professor's Letter, Cacturn, Reverse Hollow Xerneas, and Aromatisse. Alright, Cyndaquil, Routes, Fennekin, Hoot Hoot, Magnemite, Mewtwo Spirit Link, Town Map, Spoopa, Reverse Hollow Mewtwo Spirit Link, and Typhlosion. It would have been funny if I would have had a Mewtwo EX at the end. It would have like, two Mewtwo Spirit Links in one pack. Like, what you trying to throw at me, Nintendo? What you want from me? Starly, Remoraid, Skidoo, Piplup, Remoraid, Heavy Boots, Braixen, Stunfisk, Reverse Hollow Starmie, Simipower. Simipower mad happy. He's like, I'm getting my feet soaked. Hoot Hoot, Panseer, Hippopotas, Swablu, Magnemite, Pinsir, Spoopa, Floatstone. Behind door number 1, Reverse Hollow Halucha, and behind door number 2, Vanillux. See what we got in this one. Hoot Hoot, Snubble, Cubone, Chespin, Remoraid, Assault Vest, Haunter, Magneton, Reverse Hollow Mamoswine, and Noivern. That Mamoswine, like, yo, what you looking at? What you want? What's your offer? Alright. Remoraid, Snubble, Magnemite, Teddiursa, Doduo, Spoopa, Heavy Boots, Special Energy Burning Energy, Reverse Hollow Mewtwo Spirit Link, and Dodrio. Being teased by so many of these Mewtwo Spirit Links. Like, yo, what you trying to tell me? What you want? You know, we do have one already, but still, come on. Axew, Routes, Staryu, Misdreavus, Chespin, Rainbow Energy, Bridget, Skyla, Reverse Hollow Goldeen, and that's Smurgle again. Look, giving you that face. Alright, second to last pack. Pansage, Swinub, Inkay, Woobat, Teddiursa, Glalie Spirit Link, Heavy Boots, Cacturn. Behind door number 1 is Reverse Hollow Simisage, and behind door number 2 is Empoleon, and it's a hollow one at that. Dignified Fighter, yeah. Stretch his stuff and Polyon. Show him who boss. And the last pack for today's video. Meowth, Swablu, Remoraid, Cubone, LGM, Assault Vest, Giovanni Scheme, Staravia, Reverse Hollow Parallel City, and the last card is a Simisage. Alright, and there you have it. Those are all the packs that we were given, and like I said, just do a video just to showcase that. You know, the more content, the better. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys were actually intrigued, kind of hoping that we were getting some good stuff. We did pull that Gyarados, like I pulled it in the actual packs. And once again, thanks to my boy Frank and Roflin, aka Chris, for the donation of the packs and the cards, so that we can actually have this video up and posted. Right? Thank you guys again, and we'll be seeing you next time.